As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and today is a pretty big day, I would have to say. Today we are doing our 500 subscriber giveaway, and as I said in the last video, I wanted you guys to make sure you watched and commented on this video right here. So let's just jump right into it. So we got our video right here. We got our URL already picked in our commentpicker.com. Remember guys, if you are doing this for yourself, use Comment Picker. I've noticed it's a very easy website to learn and to master, and it helps you get what you need for this done pretty quick. So if you're trying to give away something as well, this is the website to use. Not sponsored, just giving you guys a friendly piece of advice. That's all I'm doing here, I promise. Anyways guys, before I get into this, if we roll someone that is out of the country, the United States, sadly you cannot win. I apologize for that, but I have an idea for 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to open it up to everyone. But till then, this one is open to the United States only. I apologize, I should have been more clear in the other messages. It's just hard with finances and everything else. So I hope not too many people are mad, but let's get to 1,000 and you guys have a chance to win some more cool stuff. Just saying. Alright guys, so as I said, we have our URL already put in. Got our filtered duplicates already put in, and we already got our comments. There's 29 of them. So we're gonna pick a winner and see who's gonna win. Ante Cruz. Congratulations, my friend. So what I want you to do, my good friend Andreas, my bad, is I want you to contact me on Instagram and or email. Both of those will be in the description down below. And if you do not get back to me, my good friend, within 24 hours, you know what, cut that, 48 hours, I'll give you 2 days. I'm going to have to give it to the second winner that I'm going to draw right here. So before we hang up this video, we're going to draw one more winner, and if Andreas doesn't pick his prize up by that point, then we're going to have to give it to someone else. So let's draw again. Diecast Media Network. So Chuck, my good friend, and the boys over at the Diecast Media Network, I don't know how you're gonna do this, but I will send it to my good friend Chuck Ellis if it comes to this. So thank you guys for everything. I greatly appreciate it, and I could not have done this without you guys, so I'm really grateful, and thank you again. Really guys, thank you. Everyone, we got a new video coming out soon. It is a 83 Chevy pickup shop truck, so get excited for that. That video will be coming out on Monday. And guys, thank you for stopping by the fish tank, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.